Hello, welcome to Rely Gardens and Food. As you've seen from our previous video, we built a polytunnel and we've built beds, and now we're going to show you how to prepare the soil for the sowing of your seeds that will germinate into your food. But by doing this, we need to have a few rules. One of them is the pH meter. We need to know the quality of the soil in order to put the right plant in the right place. We also need to make sure we do not grow plants until the soil temperature is 5 degrees centigrade or above. It takes to do it. So we'll dig this bit over here with a small spade, which is quite adequate, and as you can see it's quite lumpy because it's been trodden on quite a bit. So we'll do that, and when you've finished digging all around, all the beds, you come back, and by the time this will have dried a bit, I'm just demonstrating here, and you break up these pieces, the big lumps, because seeds will not grow in the big lumps. Okay, so you saw what we did there. We broke it up a little bit with a spade, but just to make it a bit more easier for the poor seeds, because they're not they need a good bit of ground to grow in. You can see we just move the big bits away and end up with a fairly good bit like this, look, you see. What this is, we have to check the soil for alkalinity or acidity to suit the seeds we're going to put in here. This is a pH meter. It has readings on here, and what we do is we put it in the ground about 2 inches, make sure they're clean first, and we place it in the ground 2 inches down for 2 or 3 minutes for it to work in the probes. And while that's happening, I'll tell you that the acidity of the ground is not suitable for many vegetables that you and I like to eat. Most vegetables grow in the range of 7.5 upwards. 7.5 upwards is alkalinity. Below 7 is acid soil. So we'll just take this out and have a look and see what it is. And the reading on here, which you've got a copy of, reading here is 7.5. So that's good for the majority. Probably 80% of all your seeds you're going to grow will grow in that type of soil. If at all you have to change it because you've got something for alkaline, you can always put lime on the acid soil to make it alkaline. But you can't do anything to make it more acidity on the alkaline soil. Now we've checked what we can grow in here. Just one last thing before you plant your seeds. You have to put a temperature in. Check the temperature of the soil, this is just purely for demonstration. But if you put the soil around the bulb with this thermometer, in a few moments it will give you the temperature of that soil. If it's 5 degrees centigrade or less, the seeds won't germinate. They're like you and I, we need to keep warm. If it's above 5, 6, 7 or more, you can plant seeds in here of your choice. Now, here we have a true reading of the temperature of the soil, 2 inches down, and it's 9 degrees centigrade. Plenty warm enough to start growing your seeds. Now you've seen how we prepare the soil in order to sow our seeds. I hope you enjoyed doing it. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you again.